In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate Bank of America credit card. If you're watching this, chances are you've just received your brand new credit card. But here's the thing, that card is pretty much useless until you activate it. Before we dive into its activation methods, let's make sure you have everything you need. First off, you'll obviously need your physical credit card itself. Additionally, you might also need some personal identification details for verification, like your social security number, date of birth, or your bank account details. While not always required specifically for activation, it's a good idea to have these details handy. Step 1. You'll need to head over to bankofamerica.com/activate. Once you're on this page, if you already have an online banking account with Bank of America, simply log in using your credentials. After logging in, you'll be prompted to enter the information from your new credit card, like your card number, expiration date, and the CVV on the back of the card. Follow the on-screen instructions, and within seconds, your card will be activated. But if you don't have an online banking account, the activation page will also give you the option to set up your online banking account while activating your card in one go. Well, that's how you activate your Bank of America credit card. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.